Today I'm going to teach you about your Victron system, what it entails, and how to use it. Let's take a look. So now I'm going to walk you through our Victron display system and its two other components, being the DC system and AC mode. DC is going to mean direct current, AC is going to mean alternating current. Alternating current is the component you will kick on when you want to access any of the appliances. Essentially what this means is it periodically will reverse the current, making it to be more adaptable to higher voltages. So we'll just kick that on. Take about 4 or 5 seconds. You will hear some beeps throughout the chassis. What that will indicate is, there they go, your power is then to your microwave, your induction stovetop. And if you opted into our Starlink option, which in the light model will be up here in this above cabin, you'll have access to that router and Wi-Fi. So